Yo, what is up, boys? Today is not motovlog day. Today is a video that, to be honest, I'm kind of dreading. I'm not gonna lie. But we got the frame sliders on. GROM has got a fresh oil change, fresh chain tightening. She's tuned up. Stone has a dirt bike that I don't know what's been done to it. I have no idea. It's not mine. But today is wheelie video number 2. And instead of doing it alone, I brought Stone. So hopefully one of us falls. I'm just fucking kidding. Neither of us want to loop the bike. But today is wheelie video day 2. We're at a new spot. So without further ado, let's get to learning to wheelie on try number 2.
Alright, boys. Fuck, man. Stone is gonna film he's gonna make his own video out of this, so you can go check out that. But are you ready?
No.
Me neither.
I'm ready, but also not ready, because I'm scared.
Well, I think this is easier to wheelie than this.
Yeah, that I will agree with. Alright, I'm gonna get out of his way.
Oh, who's gonna go first?
You want to rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah. Fuck, dude.
Good luck.
Well, shit. Let me get the first stall out of the way. Alright, it's not that bad. Alright, boys. Fuck me.
First attempt.
Back to this again. Alright, I gotta quit being a pussy.
Woo! That was a good one.
That was scary. That scared me. Alright, your turn.
Oh shit. Here we go. Oh fuck, this is, man, I just don't want to be the first one to fall, but I feel like I might. Alright.
It got up though.
Huh?
It got up. What the hell was that?
Dylan's talking shit like his first one didn't get up.
You need to go slower.
Huh?
You need to go slower. Fuck. Whoopsie! I did so good the first time. You gotta do it. I don't know what's happening. That's better than I was doing.
I can't wait for the comments to be talking shit.
Oh my god, I know. That's alright though. At least you're getting it up.
It doesn't feel like it's getting up.
That was a good one. Yeah. I like that one.
Speed. I am speed. I don't need speed.
Alright, boys. You know what I didn't do? I didn't do a good luck stoppie, so we're gonna do a stoppie. Alright, wheelie time!
Now if only he could do that with the front wheel.
Alright, if we can do stoppies, I feel like I should be able to wheelie. So I can just let this bitch go. I just gotta let this bitch go. That's what I gotta do, is quit being a bitch and literally just fucking wink. Let me try going the other way.
Well, he's gonna try going the other way.
I'm about to break out the big bike, boys.
Okay.
I just leaned forward too much.
It's scary.
It is. It's actually terrifying.
I got up a little bit that time.
Boys, this is just pretty hard, I'm not gonna lie.
I just gotta unleash my inner Brian 636.
What the fuck is he talking about?
Call me Honda 125 Stone. God bless America.
You can do it! Ooh, that was a good one. Oh! That was the best one so far. I'm gonna do that again with my feet down.
Oh, he might be onto something here, chat.
Do I just need to like rev it higher, or what am I doing here? We need to take a break.
Yeah.
Alright, boys, we're gonna take a quick break because it's hot as fuck, and try again in a minute. Alright, boys, round 2. Stone put his hoodie back on. That can absolutely eat my sack. I ain't putting my hoodie on. I'll take the road rash. Skin grows back. So we took a little bit of a hiatus, and I think we're ready. I'm gonna come back even stronger now. Here we go. We just gotta be like Trevor Bauer. He hums before he goes to pitch, so we just gotta go. You feel me? Like, and then we come up, close our eyes, big breath in. All that for that. I'm not used to dropping the clutch. Here we go. 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 Cover the rear brake. We'll go to about 6K and drop it. Your turn. I'm getting so fucking frustrated. I have never been more frustrated about something in my life. It's just sometimes I'm a little bit.
Whoa.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
That was scary.
Hell yeah. That was the highest one of the day, though.
How high did that go?
That was like.
That was literally your wheel was completely.
Yeah, you could have probably stepped off the back and walked it.
Holy. I can feel my face like turned hella white. Kind of got the adrenaline going, so I guess that's kind of a good thing, right?
You have to go slower, because that bike, you have to basically shift at 4 miles an hour. So if you go slower, like when you did that from a stop, you popped it up to your eyeballs. But when you're rolling, you're already basically halfway through that gear, so it's not doing it. So on that bike, you have to go slower than this one, and you'll get it. If you go slow, you'll get it.
I honestly didn't really understand most of what he said. Just go slow. Fucking going the wrong way.
I don't know what the fuck that was. This shit's hard.
It really is.
All right, so now I just need to drop this. Like, I just need to drop it. I'm getting fucking frustrated. I'm getting frustrated as shit. I'm not gonna lie to you. All right, bitch. All right. I'm getting frustrated.
Dylan's getting frustrated.
That felt a little bit better.
Oh, that was a good one.
Yeah, okay.
That was a hella good one.
See, now the gears are turning.
Oh, uh-oh. I think Dylan might be cooking now.
It's starting to click. It's starting to click now. I got it. So basically, what I'm doing, I think, is as soon as I let go of the clutch, I come off of the throttle, where you need to still roll onto the throttle to get it to kind of stay. Because the GROM doesn't really have enough horsepower, whereas that it might. The GROM doesn't really have enough horsepower to loop me. So it's kind of just staying at an even until I get to balance point to where I can control that. So I think I've kind of, all right, I think it's clicking for me. Now it's got to click for Stone. Let's go, Stone! Yeah. Oh!
Like, it feels like it's coming up way more than it actually is. Like, when you look at it on video, it's like not coming up at all. I just gotta commit. Come on, Stone. You've been in multiple motorcycle accidents. You know what it's like to hit the ground. It's not fun, but you can do it.
My turn again. Let's see if what I've learned is finally sort of clicked, because I really feel like a couple times, man, I was like kind of clicking, and the sound was making the right noise where it was like raw, and it wasn't like right. You're watching my oh. I stalled. Yeah, I gotta stay on the throttle. Quit leaning forward. Fuck's sake. Breathe. Don't think about it. We can't think about it, right? If we think about it, we fuck up, right? Just don't think about it. It's just rah, boom, right? It's rum, rah, right, rum, you know, Okay, we got it.
Well, that was a good one.
Yeah, that one felt good.
Uh-oh, he's
Here
cooking.
It comes.
He went from cooking on a campfire to cooking on a stove.
One more, little GROM. One more. Yeah. So basically what I need to do is go rump, rump on the second one. If I go bum, 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 I'm more likely to fuck it up. So I need to go rum, rah, and it goes.
All right, boys. Well, we said we were going to take another break, and we did. But we're just going to call it right here. I'm happy. Stone's happy. I think we made a ton of progress. We're leaving. No bikes dropped. Nobody's hurt. Nothing. Shout out to Michaela for being the camerawoman. Make sure my camera didn't tip over this whole time. Shout out Stone for coming and risking my brother's bike to come and do some wheelies with me, so I wasn't doing it alone. But I hope you guys enjoyed. There will be a video 3. We're gonna keep this going until we can consistently do it, but I feel like a lot of progress was made. Comment down below if you made it this far to let me know what the fuck we're doing wrong. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one here, so you already know the drill. If you enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next one. Later!